Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain how to make online attendance by using Google Form. Nowadays, due to COVID-19, we all are using WhatsApp, Microsoft Team, Google Team for online teaching. During this difficult time, what I have observed that teachers have to devote their precious time in maintaining online attendance as well as sorting the roll numbers and name and then marking in attendance register. So here I am going to explain how to make online attendance form of the students on the real-time basis. Let's know how to get Google Form. So now I will open a web browser and search Google Form. Now I am going to type Google Form. So here you can see different links. I am going to click on Google Forms free online service for personal use. So I get this page. In this page I am going to click personal, go to Google Forms. Now I get this page. Here you can see blank option and addition sign. So I am going to click on this. So here is my Google Form where I am going to type the things. Since I am teaching class 3A, I am going to type class 3A, and in form description you can type anything. Here I am typing kindly fill all the fields. It is optional. If you want, you can give the instruction. If you don't want, you will not give the instructions. In next section, here you can see two sections are present. Now come to second section. Here you will type first field. As you know, for attendance form you have to type three fields. First is the student's name, second is roll number, third is present and absent. So I am going to type student's name first. Now in this drop down menu you will select the first option, that is short answer. After clicking on this, you will click on this required button. To make this field compulsory you have to click here, otherwise students will leave this field empty. Now I am going to add one more question. Here my second field is roll number, so I am going to type roll number. Now click on this drop down menu. Here you will get short answer on the top, so select it. Now again you have to click here to make it compulsory. Before making it compulsory, because roll number will be counting numbers 1 2 3, so here you can see number option is there. You can see so many options, text length, but here we have to click on number option. And in one class I think there are total 40 students, so I am going to type between number 1 to 40. Now I am going to make this field compulsory so that students must write their roll number in this field. Next is, again you have to add one more question. Now here I am going to write present, and here you can see two options. So I am going to select here multiple choice because I am going to write yes or no. So here option 1 I am going to write yes, and in second option it is automatically coming, so I am making it this field compulsory also. And after that I'm clicking on response button. Now here I have filled my this Google form. Why I am going to response button? Because I have to create the spreadsheet. Now create a new spreadsheet. Create. So here you can see you have created an Excel sheet where you are getting 4 fields. First is your time, when the student is entering his roll number, name, and uh, uh, when student is entering his name and roll number. Second is the student's name. Third is your roll number, and here present or not present. Okay. Now after that you will click on this, and here you will click on settings button. Now here you will click on presentation. Here you can put any confirmation which will be shown to students after submission. Now so I am putting one sample message. You can put message of your choice also. I am writing your attendance has been confirmed. You can choose any message. After that you will click on save button. Now you have to create your link, so you will click on send button, and after that you will click on this option, and here is your link. Now make it shorter by clicking on this, and you can copy this link. Now let's check. Now I am opening new tab and I am copying this link. Here is your attendance report. So you can type your name, roll number, present, yes or no, and after that you have to submit it. So let's customize it, make it more attractive. So I am going to again Google Forms. Now closing it and clicking on this. Now here you can see questions option. You have to click on it, and then customize theme. Now you will get different type of colors. These are your background colors. You can see here background will be changed, different type of background. Now this is your image. You will click over here, and here you can see different type of image. You have to select one image for your Google form if you want. It is not compulsory. So I am selecting this image for my Google form. So you can see the image is coming at the top of my Google form. Now I am going to save it. Now let's check. Now again I am opening. Now here I am going to fill the fields. I am writing my name, roll number. As you all know, we are not having more than 40 students in our class. I am writing 43 over here. You can see what message I am getting. I am getting must be number between 1 and 20, because we have already given this instruction. So I am writing 40 roll number here. After that I am marking present, yes, and then I am clicking on submit button. So now where you will get this information? For this I am clicking on this, and you can see here I am getting this information.
Now here you have data option in this spreadsheet, which is used to sort the roll number in ascending order, means in increasing order. Next is to download this report in Excel. Click on file menu and then download, and then take report in various format as you want. One more thing, you can get these response spreadsheet in your Google Drive also. Let's check. Now we will open Google Drive. It's very simple. You just open web browser and in right corner you can see Google Apps dots in square form. In your mobile phone there is Google Drive icon, you can use that. Just click on it. You can check in recent. Anytime you can open it from here and get the response. This is your Google form and this is your response spreadsheet, and this is the information record of a student. You can close your attendance link by clicking here. Here you can see accepting responses. When you will click here, it will be closed. When you want, you can make it on to receive the attendance. So hope this online attendance form will save our valuable time as well as accuracy in this online teaching. Thank you. Have a nice day.